Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is the most important and most interesting part of the Snap series. I am Yashita Sharma and I would love to discuss with you what will your life be after symbiosis. तो अभी तक हमने काफी चीजें पढ़ी कि हमारी कॉलेज में लाइफ कैसी होगी, हाउ विल अवर लाइफ बी व्हेन वी आर इन सिम्बायोसिस एंड क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं, क्या एक्टिविटीज होती हैं. बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है किसी भी एमबीए एस्पिरेंट का कि उसकी लाइफ एमबीए के बाद कैसी होगी. व्हाट विल हिज करियर लुक लाइक, व्हाट आर द काइंड्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही और शी विल गेट एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. तो यहाँ पे हम आज शॉर्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे कि आपकी लाइफ कैसी होगी सिम्बायोसिस के बाद. अब ये तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आफ्टर यू कंप्लीटेड योर एमबीए विद वन ऑफ द टॉप सिम्बायोसिस कॉलेजेस you will have one of the best job offers in your hands. The placement process conducted in the campus itself will provide you with opportunities that will, bring all the dream companies together, and you will have so many options to, decide कि आपको कौन सी कंपनी में जाना है, आपको कौन सा रोल चाहिए, and everything. And I'm sure a lot of you must have already started dreaming of the kind of companies, kind of organizations that you want to work for, the kind of salaries you're going to get, and so many other things, and which is very good because it's always good to be ambitious and aspirational. तो आज हम कुछ ऐसे alumni के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि सिम्बायोसिस कॉलेजेस से पढ़े हैं, and today they are at positions that all of us dream of being at. And trust me guys, all these people are so inspiring that जिन कंपनीज में ये काम कर रहे हैं, जिस पोजीशन पे ये हैं, जब आप इन लोगों के बारे में देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. Although there are hundreds of alumni that we could have talked about, but because of the paucity of time and because we want to make impact by just discussing a few people, हमने डिसाइड किया हम कुछ 5 alumni के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे आपसे, उनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और वो आज किस पोजीशन पे हैं आफ्टर दे कंप्लीटेड देयर एमबीएस. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले हैं हमारे एलुमनाई मिस्टर पीडी सिंह, जो कि मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हैं जेपी मॉर्गन एंड चेज में. जेपीएमसी इज वन ऑफ द फर्म्स दैट इज अ ड्रीम फर्म फॉर एवरीवन एंड स्पेशली फॉर पीपल who are opting for finance as their specialization. They all dream of going to this particular firm because of what it is. इतनी well known company है, people really want to start of their careers or even at any point of their careers be associated with this particular organization. And our very own alumnus Mr. P.D. Singh is the managing director. He is SIBM Pune के graduate है from the year 1994-1996. So it's been quite some time, more than around 20 years. But the position that he's at is worth the education that he got, and all of us should be determined to at least reach this position in our lives as soon as possible. तो ये है हमारे पहले alumnus. The second alumnus is Mr. Ravi Menon. He is the Chief Executive Officer of HSBC Asset Management India. तो C level पे पहुंचना एक सिम्बायोसिस एलम के लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है, बट आप लोगों के लिए ये बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल और बहुत मोटिवेशनल होगा because all of us dream to be at the C level in our lives. We want to be the CEOs, CFOs, COOs and CHROs, whatever field we choose to be in. And having people who are at C level from the institutes that we are targeting only gives us a lot of motivation और assurance देता है कि हाँ हम भी इस position पे जा सकते हैं. So this is one of the profiles and this is one of the designations that you could get if you plan to pursue an MBA from one of the Symbiosis institutes. He is also an SIBM alumnus from the batch of 1986. तो इनको तो और ज्यादा टाइम हो चुका है, more than 30 years. But it is so good when we see people like these being at such positions and doing so well and bringing laurels to the company and the country and to their alma mater, which is Symbiosis. The third alumnus we have here is Mr. Amit Prakash. He is the CHRO in Marico Limited. तो Chief Human Resource Officer हैं ये Marico Limited में, which means that he pursued HR or Human Resource as his choice of specialization. Or maybe he didn't and maybe he switched later on in his career. We did not get to know कि इन्होंने कौन से specialization में अपने MBA परस्यू किया था. बट व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट हियर इज हम देख रहे हैं अलग अलग डोमेन में. यहाँ पे हमारे पास है चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, हियर वी हैव समबडी हु इज अ CHRO. तो आप कोई भी स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज करिए, यू विल हैव एम्पल अपॉर्चुनिटीज इफ यू ग्रेजुएट from one of the Symbiosis colleges and choose your college very wisely, right? So Mr. Amit Prakash, Symbiosis International University के alumnus है from the batch of 1999, which is not that old. It's hardly been 2 decades, and he's already the CHRO at one of the biggest FMCG firms that we know of, which is Marico Limited. This is so amazing, guys, and I hope कि आप लोगों को बहुत motivation और बहुत inspiration मिल रहा है ये सब देख के. The next person we have is Manu Vadhva. So Manu Vadhva is a CHRO in Sony Pictures Networks. And it is so good when we see all sorts of people, men, women, people from different backgrounds, different regions at different positions. She is also at the C level in such a beautiful company which is Sony Networks Pictures, and one of the companies that everybody wants to, at least once in their lifetimes work for. इतनी एक्साइटिंग, इतनी अट्रैक्टिव कंपनी है, एंड बीइंग अ CHRO एट दिस कंपनी इज अमेजिंग. लेट अस सी which college she is from and which year did she graduate. She is from SCMHRD, and we did not have the exact details of the batch that she belonged to. But as somebody from Symbiosis College and as somebody from SCMHRD, it fills my heart with pride to say that we have people, we have alumni who represent our college at such great levels, and they work for the college. The best thing about alumni is that they give back to their college whatever they've taken. उन्होंने जो education ली उसके बाद they make sure that the connections with their college, they help their colleges in placements, in guest lectures. They're always ready to do something for the institute that gave them so much. So Manu Vadhva is also a CHRO in Sony Pictures Networks and an SCMHRD alumnus. And the last person that we are going to talk about today is Mr. Sudhir Pai. He is a CEO in Magic Bricks, one of the companies that people these days are targeting. उनको interesting लगता है इसका concept बहुत ज़्यादा. And he is a Chief Executive Officer, and he also is an SCMHRD alumnus, and he is from the batch of 1999. So all these people in different industries, कोई FMCG में है, कोई BFSI sector में है, somebody is in the media and entertainment industry, and this is so beautiful that such a diverse profile, that such diverse people, हमने ये सारे लोग इसलिए select किए to discuss with you because we wanted to tell you कि कितने different sectors में ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं, and they've been students, and they've attended the same colleges that you all are aiming at and that you all will hopefully get to attend. So these are the kind of alumni that Symbiosis Institutes produce, and इनके जो relations हैं colleges से, Symbiosis is known for maintaining the best kind of relations with their alumni. So ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है. तो आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा कि आपकी लाइफ सिम्बायोसिस के बाद कैसी होगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years आफ्टर यू ग्रेजुएट यू विल बी अ CEO or CHRO or CFO or COO and CMO. No, that's not possible. That takes its own time. But one thing is for sure, that you all will end up in the best of the organizations and with the roles that you want to pursue. You will have ample opportunities to choose from कि आपको कौन सा रोल चाहिए, आपको कौन सी कंपनी टारगेट करनी है, आपको क्या मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, क्या आपको FMCG में जाना है, FMCD में जाना है, BFSI में जाना है, आपको हेल्थ केयर में जाना है, आपको ऑटोमोबाइल में जाना है, आपको जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है. You will have all the liberty to choose and apply for the companies that you want to apply for. There is no hard and fast rule or no rule that you have to apply for every company, and that is the beauty of Symbiosis. You have options of 16 different colleges if you apply for SNAP under the Symbiosis umbrella, and there are some of the colleges which are the top 2 or top 3 not only under the Symbiosis umbrella but also the best within the private colleges in the country, and definitely in the top 15 and top 20 colleges in the country for MBA. So it was great discussing all this with you guys. This was the last session in the SNAP series from my end, and I completely enjoyed the whole process of discussing different aspects of SNAP and Symbiosis with you all. मैं खुद एक Symbiosis alumnus हूँ, and I just love Symbiosis in every way possible. It gave me the best 2 years of my life, and I'm hoping that in the future also I will be able to give back to my college and to my university as much as they have given me. I would love all of you to tell us in the comments below कि आपको जितने भी सेशंस मैंने कवर किए हैं, जितने भी टॉपिक्स मैंने कवर किए हैं, आपको कैसे लगे. And if there's anything else that you want me to discuss, I would not mind coming up with another session for you guys, जहां मैं आपकी queries, आपके concerns address करूं. But for now, this is it, and I hope I covered all the relevant details and points of Symbiosis and Snap related issues. And please subscribe to Cat King because we are doing our best to get the best content for you guys and everything that helps you in your preparation, in your decision making, and everything. So and also press the bell icon because बहुत सारा content आता है हर दिन और आप कुछ miss कर जाएंगे और कुछ लोग देखेंगे तो वो benefit करेंगे, and we want all of you to benefit from it, as many people who can to benefit from it, because that's what we want. We want every student to get the kind of college that they desire for. So guys, thank you very much for listening to me so patiently and to listening to each of my sessions. I hope आपको help मिली होगी इससे, and I hope this is going to be a big game changer for you in your decision making and in your preparations. Thank you very much guys. Please keep studying hard and all the very best.